how can you hide the last scene in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to hide the last scene, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp, simply tap into these three dots into the top right corner. Simply tap there, then select this setting option. Now after selecting settings, you will get this privacy setting option at the second row. Just simply select privacy, and after going in there, you will get this option of last seen and online at very top. Just simply select last seen and online, and as you can see here, who can see my last scene is everyone into mine. But you can select between any of these four options. If you would like to hide your last scene with everybody, you just simply have to select this option of nobody in here. Then after selecting this, your last scene option will be hidden from everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.